All right, you've heard the hype. You're reading blog posts. You're listening to podcasts. You are hearing friends and family talk about this thing called the full moon challenge, and it's piqued your curiosity. Maybe you're a little uncertain. Maybe you're feeling a little shy, and maybe you want to take it on and you don't want to tell anybody, but you have no idea where to start. Enter the Full Moon Survival Guide. We have written a full moon survival guide to walk you through from the week before the full moon challenge. Yes, pay very close attention. There is work to do the week before you do a full moon challenge. We give you how to support your circadian rhythm. We let you know how to support your mental and emotional well-being. We give you tips on how to open drainage pathways. We give you the grace and the space to allow yourself some rest and relaxation so that you can boost your immune system from the comfort of your own home with a total and complete how-to. So don't forget to grab your full moon survival guide.